Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
If your washer won't start, here are some common troubleshooting tips that might help solve your problem. First, make sure the lid is properly closed. The washer won't run unless the lid is closed. Press the start button. The washer can be in a pause status. Pressing the start button will start the machine. Be sure water is turned on to the inlet hoses. If there's no water to the unit, it will not operate. Make sure there's power to the unit. Check the GFI breaker to make sure it's not tripped or in the off position. If tripped, switch the breaker off and switch it back to the on position. We hope these troubleshooting tips were helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you still need service, please contact your local W service provider.